You have arranged your books, stationery, sat down at your desk. It's time to focus on your studies and I can focus. Hey, don't worry. You're in luck. I'm about to give you 3 most powerful concentration tips and hacks. Let's begin. Tip number 1. Get rid of distractions. First things first, you need to eliminate distractions. Start with simple things like moving to a quiet place, declutter the space where you will be studying, telling those around you not to distract you for a period of time, and close your door. Here are some great ideas to reduce your phone addictions while studying. 1. Turn off notifications or use airplane mode. 2. Set your screen to black and white. 3. Set a longer passcode or just put your phone on charger in another room. Tip number 2. Candle gazing meditation. Can you quiet your mind and settle down your nerves by focusing on a single object, namely a candle? According to the ancient technique of candle gazing meditation, the answer may be yes. But how does it work? Just before studying, find a dark, quiet space with no interruptions. Sit straight with the candle at eye level. Set a timer for 1 minute or 5 minutes. Follow the movements of the candle flame with your eyes. Make an effort to blink as little as possible. Take deep breaths. Once the timer goes off, start with your study session. This simple technique increases your cognitive performance, focus, memory, mental health, sleep quality, and eye health. Tip number 3. Write down exactly why you want to study hard. So, write down the reasons you want to study hard in a paper. Keep the list handy or just stick it on your study room so that you can remind yourself of these reasons when you find yourself losing concentration or focus. Hey, if you found this unique tips helpful, share this video with your friends. Comment me below your valuable suggestions. And also don't forget to subscribe and press that bell icon for my latest new updates. See you!